Good day, everyone, and thank you for dropping by to watch another crafting video here on Mommy Guide Inc. For those who are new to my channel, I am Mommy Lala. Today, we're going to be creating a paper wreath. Okay, so it's very easy to do. You can actually do it even with your kids in tow. Let's start. Okay, so things that you will need for today, you just need an origami paper cut into whatever size you want. Okay, so normally origami papers come in 6 by 6 or 4 by 4, okay, or 3 by 3. And then you have your scissors, okay, if you want to do some cutting. But in my case, I've already pre-cut everything. And then a bone folder or anything that will help you fold the creases really nice, or if you don't have this, it's okay, you can just use your fingers to do so. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so what we're going to be creating first and foremost is this one. Okay, so it's a nice paper wreath, okay, made by doing some origami stars, and then I just added faux pearls. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so you start with an origami paper. This one is a 6 by 6. So there's the colored side, and then there's the plain side. Okay, so if you are using a pattern paper, so nice side, okay, then the blank side. Okay, so let's start. So first thing you need to do is to, okay, plain side up, fold it into half like so. Make sure that the edges, okay, are aligned, and then fold like so. Okay, unfold, and then do the same thing on the other side. Make sure again that the tips are perfectly aligned. Okay, hold them in place, and then fold and crease. Open it up again. Okay, and then this time around, okay, make it face diagonally towards you, and then fold again. Okay, or okay, just make a triangle again. Make sure that the tip is, okay, make sure that the tip is, okay, aligned, and then just simply fold like so. Okay, open again. Okay, and then do the same thing on the other side that you have not folded yet. Okay, again, make sure that you hold the tip together, okay, because it has to be aligned to actually come up with really nice stars. Okay, so now you have, see that you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangle creases on your paper. Okay, so the next thing you do is turn it again, a nice side down. Okay, and then on the, you have 4 corners, right? Okay, turn it like this way. Okay, and then on each of those, fold them. Okay, tips, grab hold of the other end and align it towards the middle line. Okay, and make sure that the tip, okay, is really pointed, and then crease or fold. Okay, again, you don't need to use this, but if you have it, it's nice. So your fingers, especially if you're gonna create a lot, okay, so if you don't have that bone folder, you can always use your, pen, sides of the pen, or a blunt object to do so, or even, the sides, the handle of your scissors. You can also, or better if you just use your finger like that. Okay, so there. Then turn it around. Do the same thing on all the 4 corners. Okay, again, fold it towards the middle. Make sure that the tip is really okay, pointed like so, and then fold it again towards the middle. Okay, and then open up. So you see, there are more creases now on our paper, and then you do the third side. Okay, like so. Okay, make sure that it's aligned in the middle. Okay, and then Fold again the other side to make another triangle that goes to the middle. Okay, and then finally, the last side. Okay, this side. Fold. Okay, making sure that that point, the tip is really pointed. Okay, and then you close in on the other side, trying to make it as pointed a tip as possible. There you go. So you see you have all those creases already visible on your paper. So what do you do now? Okay, so shiny or nice print or solid color, face down, and then okay, so it has to be facing you this way, not diagonal like that. Okay, and then okay, just okay, sorry, it has to be diagonal like that, face diagonal like that, and then there's a middle line right there. Okay, so you try to fold okay your paper in the sides of your paper, fold it in like that, and it will easily follow because of the creases that we've previously made. Okay, and then you'll come up with like this kind of a triangle. Okay, so what you do is you push it down like so. Okay, and then you fold it like that. Okay, and then this part, okay, you fold it on its side, making sure that this end is pointed like so, and then this one is aligned to this one. Okay, and fold. Okay, and then do the same with the other side. This time around, it's aligned to this side. Okay, and then turn it up. Okay, and then this side, you push in like so. Okay, and then turn it to its side. And then turn it onto the other side. So that when you open it up like that, it is gonna easily fold in forward like that. Okay, and we do the same thing onto the other side. Okay, diagonally, push the sides up towards the middle. Then you'll end up with that triangle. Okay, fold it. Okay, and then push down. Okay, and then get hold of the triangle. Okay, and then fold onto its side. Make sure that this one is aligned to this. Okay, and then this one onto the other side. Okay, and then push in, and then slide, fold onto its side again, and then to the other side. Okay, and then open it up, fold this two in the middle, and this one now opens up like that. Okay, so we've done with two sides. Now this one has that crease over there. Okay, fold it inwards. Okay, after doing so, okay, you turn it on its side, making sure that the tip is pointed like so, and this one is aligned. Okay, and then do the same thing onto the other side. Make sure that this is pointed, and then the other half is aligned towards this. Okay. Okay, and then push in to the middle. Okay, and fold down. And finally, do the same thing onto the other side. Okay, fold towards the middle. Okay, nope, it's not. Okay, there you go. Fold towards the middle. Okay, and then this one aligned, and then again on the other side, aligned, and then in the middle, push in. Okay, and put it on its side like so, and then onto its other side. And when you open it up like that, it easily, okay, you can easily fold it down like so. Okay, is it done yet? Not yet. Okay, so the sides, okay, you fold it in. So each of these points, okay, you can fold inwards the sides. Okay, take this one, fold it inwards. Take the other side and fold it in as well towards the middle. Okay, and then take the other side. Okay, fold it in like so. Then fold it in again. So do the same thing for all the other sides. Okay, and the next thing, okay, you know, is that you're done with it. Okay, so and then what you basically do is just you connect each other. Okay, you just push it in to one another like so, and then you get another one like so, and then you stick them together onto a base. Like this one is just part of paper plate. I used this as a base. Okay, and then I just added faux pearls to make it a little bit nicer. And there you go. A nice paper today. So again, thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you on another crafty session here at Mommy Guide Inc.